Hey kids, today we're going to look at some fresh fruits.
This is apple. This is orange. Oranges are round fruits with bright orange skin. They are sweet and juicy, and they grow on trees. Oranges are good for your health.
This is mango.
This is grapes.
This is papaya.
This is watermelon. It has a green rind with stripes. Inside, it is red and juicy, with black seeds. Watermelon is a delicious and refreshing fruit. This is pineapple. This is jackfruit. It's the largest tree fruit in the world. Inside, it has a fibrous yellow pulp and large seeds.
This is a banana.